Once upon a time, a friendly cat named Colin lived in a cozy little village, loved exploring the world around him. But there was one place that Colin had never visited, the magical garden at the edge of the village. The garden was known to be full of wonders. Flowers that sparkled in the sunlight, mushrooms that glowed at night, and butterflies that danced in the air. But to enter the garden, you had to be brave and kind-hearted. Colin was both of these things, so one sunny morning, he decided it was finally time to visit. As he padded through the gate, he marveled at the garden's beauty. Colorful flowers stretched toward the sky, and little streams trickled with water that shimmered like diamonds. But the giant sunflower in the garden's center was the most fantastic thing. "Hello, Colin," it said in a gentle, friendly voice. "Welcome to our magical garden. Every visitor gets one special wish. What would you like?" Colin thought carefully. He didn't need toys or treats, he already had a cozy bed, tasty meals, and loving friends in the village. Then he had an idea. "I wish everyone in the village to see this beautiful garden and feel as happy as I do now." The sunflower beamed even brighter. "What a kind wish, Colin," it said. Suddenly, a sprinkle of sparkling golden dust floated through the air, and soon, the entire village could see the magical garden, even from far away. From that day on, everyone who passed the garden felt its magic and kindness, all thanks to Colin's thoughtful wish. Every time Colin visited, the garden seemed even more beautiful, because he had shared it with everyone he loved. Colin the cat visited the magical garden often, knowing that he had made it a little more magical for everyone.